Hi, my name is Miss Mitchell, and today I will teach you to tell if the number of objects in one group is greater than, less than, or equal to the number of objects in another group. This is called comparing. Compare means to tell if the number of objects in one group is greater than, less than, or equal to the number of objects in another group. We compare by using these three symbols: the greater than symbol, the less than symbol, and the equal to symbol. Let's discuss what greater than, less than, and equal means. Greater than means there is more. It's the bigger amount, the larger amount. Less than means a smaller amount. Equal means the same amount. The greater than and less than symbols kind of look like alligator mouths. And remember, the alligator mouth always wants to eat the greater amount. So you will always point the alligator mouth to the greater amount. If we can't decide whether one amount is greater than, less than, or equal to another amount, what can we do? 1. You can use the matching strategy. Here I have two boxes of objects. I will compare the amounts by using the matching strategy. In the matching strategy, I cross out objects one by one on both sides. I'm looking to see if there are any extra objects on either side. It looks like there are two extra stars in box A. This tells me that box A has the greater amount. I will now choose the greater than symbol to show this relationship. Notice how the alligator mouth is open and ready to eat the greater amount. Next, I will complete my word sentence. Box A is greater than box B. Let's do this one together. I will cross them out one by one to see if there are any extras on either side. I cross out the first one in box A, then I cross out the first one in box B. I cross out the second one in box A, and then I cross out the second one in box B. I crossed out a third one in box A, and cross out the third one in box B. I notice that there aren't any extras left on box A or in box B. This tells me that they both have the same amount. I will now use the equal sign to show that these two have the same amount. There. Now I will write my word sentence. Box A is equal to box B. 2. You can use the counting strategy. In the counting strategy, I count and label the amount of objects I have on both boxes. After counting, I noticed that there are 4 stars in box A and only 2 stars in box B. I know that 4 is a greater amount than 2, so I'll use the greater than symbol to show this relationship. Notice how the alligator mouth is ready to eat the greater amount. In my full sentence, I will write box A is greater than box B. Let's do the next set together. After counting and labeling, I noticed that box A had 3 octagons and box B had 3 octagons. I know that 3 and 3 are the same number, so they both have the same amount. I will choose the equal sign to show that both amounts are the same. In your workbook, use the matching strategy and the counting strategy to compare the amount of objects on your paper. Happy comparing!